Good morning, the entire family of Open Sky Public School. Dheeraj Srivastava sir is again with you, and today again we are going to learn new things which is going to help us in making ourselves strong in academics. The first thing which I will discuss that please keep your focus on and support your teachers who are doing a wonderful job with the help of their videos. So keep on taking their notes, keep on watching their videos, keep on doing the homework. Whenever you have a doubt, ask them, get it clarified. So at any point of time, our focus from studies should not get deviated. Very, very important. And I'm also sure that all students of Open Sky, you will be having a timetable and you will be managing your 24 hours well. That is my first request to all of you. Second, I am sending question paper based on English grammar to all of you. You have to solve one question paper every day. There are 10 questions in each paper. And once you have solved it, ask for the answer sheet. And then you can tally your answers. And if you feel that there is a gap, there is a problem in the concept, with the help of your teachers, you can get it cleared. So online studies, focused timetable. Second, one question paper of English grammar every day. In that English grammar, if you will see closely, I have given subject and predicate, sentences, parts of speech, noun, noun number, gender, adjective, how to compare it. So slowly I am going to brush all your concepts. So just stick to that. Do not lose your focus. The third thing which I am going to tell you, in the last video, I discussed about tense, present, past, future. And then again you have four in that: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. With the help of timeline, I explained you the entire matrix of tense. In today's class, I'm going to tell you about letter writing. This letter writing is very important. It helps us in our personal life also. This letter writing is also an important part of your exam. And when you will do a job, in your job also you will find that this letter writing is continuing. It is not going to leave you. So there are informal letters, formal letters, applications, notices. Today we are going to discuss the most important one, and that is formal letters. The moment we understand how is the step, how we have to start and how we have to end, that's it. Then little bit of practice and this letter writing skill is mine. So we have to start our formal letter with my contact information. First of all, my contact will be there. My address. This is done. First, starting with my address, then the date will come. On which day I am writing this letter. So first is my contact information, second is date. Third is going to be contact information of the person or company you are writing to. You are writing that letter to who? To which company? To which person? So my address, date, contact information of the person or company I am writing this letter to. The next one is greeting, salutation. Dear Mr. John, dear Mr. Ram, whatever I am going to address. My greetings, my salutations. After that will be body of letter. How I am going to start, how I am going to introduce my topic, and then details, what I am trying to convey. Then how I am trying to conclude it, how I am thanking him. And at the end, how I am closing finally, and my signature. So just keeping these 6-7 points in mind, you can write a fantastic formal letter. So what I will do, I will send this structure, this format to you with the help of your teachers. Just go through it, try to understand the details, and I will request all of you that all of you please write one or two letters in this format and give it to teachers so that they can check and find out that if you have cleared all your doubts and you have become an expert in writing letters. In my coming videos, I will also discuss informal and application and all the other things. One more point to you, that if you feel that you need some more topics which I should include in my video, just pass on to me. You will give me feedback, I can improve my video. After letter writing, one more thing which is very close to my heart is how you can develop your spoken English. One is 5 golden rules, which all of you must be knowing. Apart from that, when you're going to sleep in the night, you may think in your head what you have done from morning to night in English. So what you are doing? You are thinking in English. Once you will get a practice of thinking in English, you can easily speak in English. Apart from that, watch English news. Keep taking interview of your mom and dad in English. Fine. Keep going through dictionaries. Have a friendship with words, new words. Try to make sentences out of it. So you have n number of things by which you can improve your spoken English skills. I have also a Telegram channel. There's an app like WhatsApp, we have Telegram. And on that channel, I have a Pathshala Club. On Telegram app, I have a Pathshala Club channel. You can subscribe that one and you can find there are some 30-40 videos on that which is going to help you in improving your spoken English. And one good news for all of you. I have discussed with Arpan sir, Ranjana ma'am, and I'm going to give you 2 slots each day. So what is going to happen? Every day from Monday to Friday, 2 students of Open Sky Public School can talk to me. We can discuss our grammar things also, and we can also do some practice of spoken English. If you have any gaps in grammar, you can talk to me. And I will also feel that I am connected. Right now, I'm not talking to you. So Arpan sir will share the schedule with you, who is going to talk on Monday and who is going to talk on Tuesday, and so on. And the last, I'm going to finish my video with a story. So right now, if you will watch news, if you will ask your parents, there is an uncertainty in the entire world. No one knows how this coronavirus is going to take us in future. Many are having fear. Migrant laborers are traveling from different states to Bihar and UP and MP, Odisha. So all confusion and fear is there. And this is the time when the entire Open Sky Public School Kati team is going to fight the fear. If you want to achieve great success, you should know how to fight your fears. And I'm going to tell you a story of an 8 years old girl, Ruchita, how she has fought her fears and she has got awarded by the president. So, long time back, when Ruchita was 8 years old, and one fine day she was returning back from her school. She was in a school bus. When the school bus came near to a railway crossing, it got stuck. Engine stopped. Some problem happened. Driver was trying to move it. Conductor was trying to pacify the students, control them. In the meanwhile, one train was coming. Ruchita, she saw the train. She was sitting near the door. She was able to jump out of the bus and save her life. She did that. But before she jumped out of the bus, she has also pushed She had pushed many children out of the window to save their life. So just imagine the bus has got stuck, the train is coming, everyone is yelling, shouting, crying. Complete environment full of fear is there. But that small girl, that little girl, 8 years old, she has fought with her fear. And not only she saved her life, she also rescued many students. And in 2014, President he called Ruchita, and she got Bravery Award. So my request to all of you that be fearless and fight your fears. Then only this challenging phase can become a memorable phase for all of us. So once again, I'm going to repeat my points. We discussed about online studies. At any case, at any point of time, we are not going to lose the track. We are going to be focused. Your teachers are doing wonderful job. Support them. Second, we discussed about those grammar questions. We are going to solve one paper every day. We are going to tally it out. If there is a gap of concepts, we are going to clarify it. Then I discussed format of a formal letter. First, my address, my contact details, then the date, then salutation, greetings, then body of the letter, how to start, how to tell my requirements, how to end it, closing wishes, then my signature. I'm also sending you the format so that you can practice it out. After that, we discussed about spoken English, 5 golden rules, thinking in English, calling all objects in English. There are so many tips and tricks. I also told you to join my Pathshala Club channel on Telegram and take use of all those videos. And at the last, I ended with a story of 8 years old girl Ruchita, how she fought her fears. We have to also do the same. And one good news I have given to all of you that I'm going to talk with 2 students every day from Monday to Friday. And you can discuss with me your doubts. We can brush up our spoken English, right? So it's going to be a fun time. So I'm enjoying, I'm passing my time talking to all my students, reading, developing my knowledge, developing my skills. You can do the same. You can make this phase memorable one. So once again, my salute to the entire family. You are working very hard, and when you are working so hard, you are going to get result. So people say you keep doing good things and good things will happen. My best wishes to the entire family of Open Sky Public School Kanti. Again, I'm going to meet you soon, and before that, I'm going to talk to 2 of you every day. My best wishes. Bye-bye.